Yo, what is up, fishing people? Sorry, my voice is a little hoarse right now. I'm about to head out to the creek. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Gadberry. We killed them yesterday. He was in his kayak. I was on the bank. But today I'm gonna take my kayak out, meet him out there, and it should be a good time. We got on some huge bass yesterday, so hoping today's the same. We got about the same conditions almost. So hopefully we can get onto them. So I'm gonna get out there, get loaded. I'm already loaded up. I'm gonna get out there and set up and then get in the water. So I will see you out on the water with Gadberry. See you there. Peace. We out here loading up the kayaks. About to get out on the creek. Got Mr. Gadberry. Where is he? There he is. Up there. He chilling. We're about to get out on the creek. It's gonna be tight. Mondos all day. Let's do it. I think I'm going ahead and paddle out.
Go for it, buddy.
See if can't get a pattern happening. Yeah. We'll see. We can hope. Got one. There we go. Little guy. We'll take him. Ain't biting.
Maybe it's not that magical time yet. Still around like.
Still got about an hour.
Yeah, before we start catching, yeah.
There we go. This one's all right. Maybe about 2 pounds. Oh, trench hog. Oh, that's almost 3 pounder probably. You too. Yeah, that's a good one, dude. That's 2.5 right there. Good looking bias right there. Give him some fresh water. That's a good one. I'm just curious. $2.87. Oh yeah. That's a donkey. I want a whale. All right. Get the release. Peace out, hombre. Go back to the depths. You're on that stick up, I bet.
I'm out this way, are you?
The eyes of my fucking rods are whistling right now from the wind. Got a nice little song playing. Oh, that's a fish. Ripped it out of its mouth. That was definitely a fish though. Oh, that's a fish. Ah, that's a fish. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, sir.
Start recording.
Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that's a 3-pounder for sure. Oh my god. Nope. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Oh man.
Wow.
Look at that. I bet that's. Oh, that might be 4, dude. That might be 4. Come on, get out from it. Okay.
Got him on the old
Texas rig.
for sure, my guy.
That's a fucking hog and a half, motherfucker.
That is a hog.
Dude, I was dragging that shit on the bottom. That's a fatty right there. Woo! 395. That's a big baby. Get some fresh air. There we go.
That looks like a nice one.
Oh yeah. About 2. All right. Another one for the board. It's a pretty good one. Yeah. Get that release. Yeah. For spotted bass, heck yeah. I'll take. It's something. I've cranked some fucking tiny fish on huge jigs. Like especially like bluegill and shit, man.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my god. Catching bluegill on a jig is like the funniest fucking shit.
Ooh, I bet there's gotta be. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, that there'd be one back there.
Come on, there's current right there.
I just want one more fucking mondo for the day, man.
Right.
Like this one, motherfucker. Ooh. Yep. Oh my god. Yep.
Ooh,
Yep.
spot.
Yep.
No, it's
Yep.
not. It's just a good one.
Yep.
Put that thing in there.
Oh my god, come here. Come here. Calm down.
Nice. That's about 3.
Yeah.
Close if not.
Oh, was I recording? Thank God.
Whoa.
Dude, I double hooked this fool.
What a fatty, bro. They're just so good in here.
I know. Hey, dog. I'm gonna need you to calm the frick down. Nope. Yeah, I ain't even gonna weigh that one. I mean, that's a largie for sure. It's a good size one. I mean, that's probably about 2.5. Peace out, guy. Not happy, but. Which tree were you talking about where the stick-ups are? Huh? Oh no.
No, he's in there. He's on there. He hit like 3 times and then, yeah, I can feel him.
See if you can let him, like, try and keep tension on him run out.
Ah, my car's still 100 miles an hour. Yeah, he went boop, boop, boop.
See right there?
Feel him down there. I can feel his tail. Dang it.
Fuck.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
He's
Okay.
buried in that fucking cover.
Tug it hard. Come on. Get out of there.
Oh, I got one too. This is a good one. Dude! Mondo! Dude, he just... Mondo! Oh! Hey, chill, bro, chill. Oh. Dude. Another definitely 2+ pounder.
Ron, next time I'm pegging my sister.
Dude, this is a fucking spot.
That's a spot?
Yes.
What? Hold him up real quick.
He's got
Hey, that's a big...
got the patch and he even has the connected right there.
Yeah.
He's just pale. That is a huge ass fucking chunk of a spot right there. Yeehaw! Alright, we're gonna get that. Release. Yep, that was a spot and it was a nice one. Oh, come on. Dang, I missed that, but boom.
We'll try the old Kayaking crawl first.